Doo-doo-dum, doo-dum, doo-dum. Me trying to wink. I can't wink. Sorry, guys. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am so happy that you decided to click on this video because today we are learning how to apply iron-on patches. We're basically going to be making our own shirts. Like, that is so cool. I don't know about you, but that's so cool to me. Anyways, so yeah, honestly, like, I've been loving doing this lately because it's like super cheap. 2, like, you're basically making your own shirt, and 3, it's really fun to do. So yeah. So basically what you'll need is an iron. Also, you will need your patches. Like, look at this, so cute. And oh my god, so cute. I'm so excited. And lastly, you will need your t-shirts. Usually I love doing it on t-shirts because I love wearing t-shirts. I actually found these at Joann's for so cheap. They were on sale. I think they were like $2. But honestly, like, my favorite place is to find t-shirts is the thrift store because 1, they're like so cheap, and 2, sometimes they might have like really nice colors and like really good material, you know, so for really cheap. The patches that I got were like $175, $250. I think the most expensive one was like $3.99, so that's awesome. And I also got these beautiful butterflies through Amazon, and like, look at these butterflies, they're so cute. I was actually wearing some on one of my previous videos. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out because it's pretty fun. Let's just stop sacking and get to work. Let's do this. So I'm first gonna do the yellow one. This one's so cute. I think I'm gonna do these little sunflowers on it because it's so cute. Maybe like right here. Okay, so you have to preheat your iron to the highest that it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna play around with the flowers and place them where I think I want them, and just move them around and see what I like and what I don't like, and then I'm gonna tape them down when I know exactly where I want them. Okay, and then you just get your shirt after you put the tape on, and then you just kind of put it on, and then you check if it's something you like or if you need to move it around or anything like that. I think this is kind of cute, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Put the shirt on the board. You can literally just make this on the floor too. Yeah, and make sure you stretch out your shirt so it could stick on like right. Okay, and then you gently take off the tape so you don't move it and stuff. I forgot you're supposed to preheat the shirt. So you're supposed to preheat the shirt first. So my bad. I will remember that, and then for the next shirts. And then you just press on it for like 15 to 20 seconds. Just make sure you know you don't burn your shirt because it's happened before. Okay, and then we can call that good. And just check it a little bit. And it's good. And now we're gonna flip the shirt inside out, or yeah, inside out, and do the same thing to the inside. Apply a little pressure and count to 15 or 20. I usually do 20 or 25. So it's up to you, honestly. Okay, so after you think it's good, flip it back around, and then you just check that it's good and stuff. And yeah, so cute, so easy, guys. I'm gonna try it on with an outfit now to see how it would look. Okay, I don't have white jeans with no holes, so just pretend they don't have any holes. Okay, okay. Anyways, this is outfit numero uno. How cute is this? I am in shock right now. I didn't think it was gonna look that cute, but this is like summer all over. Oh, these are the shoes that I'm wearing. So cute. I'm like 2 inches or 3 inches taller. Let's do the other shirt now. Next, I'm gonna do this white t-shirt, and this one I actually got in a pack of 6 at Costco for like $16. They're like men's shirts. I forgot to mention, I also got these patches from Amazon. They're like champion patches. Yeah, like they're so cute. Literally, like, yeah, why not? So yeah, we're about to be fake right now, but you know what? Who cares? So I think I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna do it right across, and then this little one on the little side or whatever. Okay, so just remember to put some tape after you figure out where you want it, so you can check if it's centered. A little bit more accurate, I'm just gonna measure so it could be right in the center. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I think this is good. So yeah, let's just iron it on. This is so exciting. I keep forgetting this step, but you're supposed to preheat your shirt before you put the patch on. But after you do that, you can put your patch on and apply some pressure and count from 20 to 25 seconds, and you just let it do its thing. Okay, so the shirt is done. I really hope it doesn't look crooked. I don't know. I don't know if I should crop it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think I should crop it or not. I don't know. I feel like I should, but I'm not sure. Like, it's so cute, guys, and it looks legit. That's so funny. Literally, you can find anything on Amazon. Anything and everything. So funny. I love it. Okay, so I totally forgot about this shirt. So it doesn't have a number because I messed the video up. But you know what? Let's ignore it. We can't forget about this one because, guys, like, it looks legit. Like, nobody would know it's fake, but it is. Anyway, so yeah, I'm wearing it with biker shorts because it's like so long. It could literally be a dress. Let me show you guys. It could literally be a dress. So, okay, see? Literally. It looks funny, but... Okay, so next I'm gonna do this green t-shirt. And honestly, I don't wear a lot of green, but I think it looks cute. Like this color, it looks cute. So for this one, I think I'm gonna do this cute little bee. It has like detail and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it like in the middle. Let's see. To always be accurate, make sure you measure it so it could be centered. Okay, so I think this is the height that I want, but I can see it's a little crooked. So I'm just gonna fix it real quick. So this patch has little details to it, and I was a little scared, so I'm gonna iron it on with the shirt. So yeah, remember to always apply pressure. I was a little paranoid doing this because I was so scared I was gonna mess it up, but I didn't, thank God. Oh man, okay. What do you guys think? It looks so cute, huh? I'm just gonna do it a little more because I'm paranoid, so okay. Honestly, I think, like, you don't have to, but to make sure that it doesn't ever come off, you can sew it in there too. I usually do the iron on, and then when I have extra time, then I'll sew it on there, like a little bit, like in a few spots, you know, because when you put it in the washer, you don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, this is so cute, guys. So we go with outfit number 2. What do you guys think? It's so cute. I am in love. I can't think of any songs right now that I'm so pissed. You know when you like think of a word, or like you're talking and then like a song comes up and then it goes with what you're saying. That's what I'm trying to remember. I can't remember any songs right now. Like what? Why? Okay, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, it's so cute, guys. I'm wearing it with these shoes. So cute. You guys know that shoes are like my favorite thing. So yes, I will talk about my shoes all day. Anyways, yeah, so cute. Oh, how do people do this pose? Wait, let's see. Wait. Okay. Okay, so next we're gonna do this gray shirt. And I think I'm gonna put these patches on it, level up, and this control. I don't play video games, but I think it's cute. I don't know if it's gonna look childish, but I'll still wear it if it looks cute. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this. I've moved this around so much because I don't really love it, but whatever. We'll just keep it like this. I think this looks like a kid's shirt, but you know what? We'll just go with it. We will just go with it because whatever. So I think I'm gonna add this on the back of the shirt. Okay, well this one is done. Let me try it on with an outfit to see if, you know, I would actually wear it out, because I don't know. I'm not convinced. Let's see. Okay, outfit number 3. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that. Anyways, what do you guys think? I don't know. Can I pull it off? Please let me know in the comment area if I should wear this in public or not, because I don't know. I have mixed vibes. Anyways, I'm wearing it with these shoes because I just felt like being extra. Anyways, here's the pow pow pow. Pow. Maybe I should try it on with tennis shoes to see if like it gives it a different vibe. Okay, I feel shorter if that was the point. So I changed it to these shoes. I still don't know like the vibe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, should I wear different tennis shoes? Like, oh, here's the patch. Like, what the heck? What do you, I don't know. Let's just, okay. And last but not least, I'm gonna do this t-shirt dress that I have. I think it's the one I was wearing on my last video. And yeah, I think I'm gonna add like a little butterfly to it to make it cuter, so it's not like so simple. So I think I'm gonna do one of these 2 butterflies. I don't know which one. Like, they're both so cute. I think this is like the hardest part, to decide what color to use, because I don't know.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I asked for a little bit of help and we're gonna go with the yellow. So we're just gonna set it up and see where I think will look the best. I'm thinking of the middle, and we're just gonna measure it up so it's like in the middle. And then we're gonna tape it. See if that's cute. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, we're gonna now iron it on. Take the tape off carefully so we don't move it. You know what? We're a family. We are a family. That's why we're we. You know, with myself. And just a reminder to flip the shirt inside out and repeat the same steps to the inside of the shirt. This is so cute, guys, and you see how easy it was? Like, literally, you can do this like in 5 minutes. This is the final look. So yeah, it's so cute, honestly. Like, I am so happy right now. I'm wearing this with these shoes and gold jewelry. Well, I'm still wearing my silver necklace, but I was just too lazy to take it off, so whatever. Anyways, like, you guys saw how easy it was to make this, and you can literally stick them onto anything. Like, you can do them onto denim, like jackets, hoodies, anything, and it just gives it like the extra vibe, you know. because we always want that extra vibe. Really hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make, and I will definitely be making more of these videos. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that bell of notification to notify you whenever I post a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys until my next video. Bye guys.